Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start with clean, moisturized skin so the product adheres evenly. Take primer to reduce slipping and create a smooth canvas. Once done, select the Nyx Color Corrector specifically for your concern. Green counters redness. Peach or orange neutralizes dark blue veins. Using a small synthetic brush or your fingertip, pick up a tiny amount and dot only on the discoloration. Then gently tap and blend outward. Avoid rubbing so coverage stays targeted and natural. Now you move into corrector to concealer flow. After the Nyx corrector sets for about 5 to 10 seconds, apply a concealer one shade lighter over it. This restores luminosity. Use a stippling motion to press product into place rather than sweeping, because sweeping can remove the neutralization you just achieved. If you need extra coverage, add thin layers rather than a thick coat. Finally, make sure to set the area with translucent or a light pressed powder to lock everything and reduce creasing. Finish by checking your work in natural light so you catch any visible edges or mismatches. If you see patchiness, add very small dots of Nyx corrector and press them in. Once blended, reapply concealer sparingly. If you overcorrect and it looks too colored, don't scrub. Gently pat a bit of concealer or skin-toned foundation over the area to neutralize and blend. One quick troubleshooting tip. If creasing appears, lightly dust powder and press with a damp sponge to meld layers without disrupting coverage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.